Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mortal the Unicorn here. Now today, as maybe you can tell by the title, we are going to be opening some Pokemon cards. I have another tin in the back. We got the plastic off before the video. So this is a Salamence Pokémon tin. And looks like we got our holographic Salamence right there on the front. And I'll be going over this card and maybe other good ones that we get in the recap. But we got some boosters to open. Okay, that surprisingly had a lot of boosters, so this is what I'm gonna do. There we go. So these are the boosters that we're opening. There's a lot of them. So let's start with this one. Lost Thunder. While I'm opening this, I will mention that I have opened a Lost Thunder currently, but though I was not recording it, I got a Rainbow Rare Pokemon card out of that. I hope this video isn't just me raging over a Pokemon package. Okay, I guess that's what you guys are watching for an hour. Yep. Okay, so we finally got the package open, and we can see that we got a Pick-a-Peck right here, a holographic Shuckle, and a Slickoon, and a code. Okay, next pack is opened, and I see a Hoppip. Ooh, Carbink, and a Fighting Energy, and then a code, so this is what we got in the next pack. Alright, so next one is open, and I see a Riolu. Now, that's my first Riolu. Like, ever. Ooh, Hello Meditite, and a Special Energy. It's a Weakness Guard Energy. Put the code right there, and this is the recap from that booster pack. Alright, next booster is opened from the back. A Pikachu. Hang in there, baby. I am obsessed with Pikachu. Bro! I am shook. This is a full RX Excadrill with the trainer. We're putting this in the recap because that deserves a big recap right there. Other than that, Pikachu for days. Alright, next booster pack is opened as well. Let's just, go around, flip it around. A Pidove. Poipole, that's an Ultra Beast. And a trainer, Giant Hearth. And sorry for the pause for the cut, but recap of the package. Now, next pack is open, and I see a Natu. How many of these am I gonna pull? Mimikyu? Mimikyu is like my second favorite Pokemon besides Pikachu. That is awesome. I'm like shook. Like, I can't even words cannot describe how I'm feeling right now. I just hit the phone. Other than that, recap of the package. Alrighty, so the next Pokemon card pack is opened as well. And then we just flip this around, and we got a Sneasel on the front. Oh, I see a holo card in the back. Dragology, I think that's how you pronounce it. and Torkoal. Get the code. Code assigned. This is the recap of the pack. Alrighty, next booster is opened as well. In a very, very hard to open way. Again. Oh. This is a Evolutions. Growlithe. Super Potion Holo. And a special double colorless energy. Recap of the pack. Alrighty, next card pack is opened as well, and I see an Electabuzz. Probably going to be my longest video on site. What's good? Electabuzz, Rattata, and the Evolution Spray, which I forgot existed. Recap of the pack. Okay, last one for the tin. And a Ducklet. Ducklet. Swirlix, and a Tag Team Trainer card. Recap of the pack. Alright, so that was it for the Salamence pack, and here's the recap. We got the full art Mimikyu card with the Mimikyu's trainer. She's in the series, but I forgot what her name was. We got an Excadrill full art card, which is absolutely amazing. And the Holo Salamence card that came with the tin in general. So we are going to be opening a gift from Timber, which is my brother. So stay tuned for that while we get that.